Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to draw a fish. I put my palm on paper and draw 2 points. Now I'm going to meet those points by a concave line from both sides to make body of fish. Now I'm erasing the back side to make a tail. One line up and another line downside. Now I'm going to join these two lines. Hope you too will try this, and this is very easy. By seeing this tutorial you can also make this. Now we are going to draw two fins. You can also make fins of any style. As you know, fishes are of various style. Now we are going to make mouth of fish. Now here we are going to make another fin. Now we are going to make mouth like a smile. Now we are going to draw eye, as we can only see one eye of a fish, so we are going to make eye. Now it's making a shape. Now we are going to shade it. First we hold the pencil close to its nib and press it a bit hard, not that hard that it may break the paper, cut the paper. Now we are going to hold the pencil far from its nib and give a light shade on its edges on both sides of the body. Now we are going to do it on this side also, same way, light shade. Now we again hold pencil close to its nib and give a dark shape. This process is called layering, a shade on shade, so that it gives a good effect. Now we are also shading the tail, same on edges, a dark shade, holding the pencil close to its edge. Now again we are holding the pencil a little farther to give a light shade to its fin. I hope you are going to like this, and you will also try this tutorial. This tutorial will help you how to shade, how to draw. Now we are drawing some lines on fins and tail also. Now we are drawing some scales. Scales are also of various types. You can also draw scales of your own choice. I like this one, so I am drawing this one. I hope if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Now we are drawing some bubbles, air bubbles. As we know, fish live in water, it releases air. First bubble we are going to shade darker, another one we are going to shade it a lighter, and this one another shade, and this way our drawing is complete.